Hello, welcome to Okewood Nursery. I'm Emma, Managing Partner, and together with my husband Rupert and our amazing team, we've been caring for children now at our beautiful setting for over 3 years. Come in and have a look around. We offer free flow play opportunities so the children can opt to play inside or outside wherever their interests take them. It's so important to us at Okewood that children feel safe and secure, so we've created a calm, warm, homely heart of the nursery inside. We're lucky enough to be nestled in the Surrey Hills, and as you'll see, our 3 outside areas offer plenty of learning and play opportunities whilst enjoying the sights and sounds of the countryside. We have lovingly created areas that spark interest, imagination and engage little hands and minds, with lots of opportunities to get wet and muddy. We aim to build confidence, resilience and curiosity in our children, and our amazing team are here to support and guide our little oaks every step of the way. All of our team are level 3 qualified and all carry up-to-date and current qualifications in paediatric first aid, safeguarding and food hygiene training. We're one big family at Okewood, and we care for your children as a part of our family, because when children are in a safe and happy environment they thrive. Their independence, drive and ability to learn, develop and understand the world around them grows with them until they're ready to leave us and take their next steps in their learning journeys at school. If you'd like to know more or pay us a visit, please call us on 01306 627 067, or you can contact us via our Facebook page. We can book you in for a show round where you'll also receive a welcome pack outlining all of the finer details. We look forward to seeing you soon.